Hi everyone, welcome to Cocosenor, and today I will teach how to back up iPhone to a Windows computer without iTunes. Cocosenor iPhone Backup Tuner is a professional iPhone backup tool that enables users to back up iPhone data with simple clicks. The backup data can also be easily accessed on a computer. Download and install it now. Open the software and connect the iPhone to your computer. Tap Trust and enter the device passcode to trust the computer. After the iPhone is detected, tap the backup option. OK, now your iPhone information is shown here. If your iPhone is set with a backup password, type in the password on the text box. Click the Next button. You can click the backup option now. After that, click the Choose button to define the backup path. Hit the Start button to begin the backup process. Congratulations! Your iPhone data is successfully backed up. You can open the destination folder to have a check. That's all. Thanks for watching.